what's the secret of your success?
It's really simple. Great crew. You know, my guys can completely tear this thing down, rebuild it, retune it in about an hour. They have it ready when I get there. They do the job very quickly. They get it right. When I go to the starting line, I'm very sure this car is going to perform at its best.
You know what's interesting, Alan? That's exactly what our customers are asking for. Quick, convenient service done right the first time. And we have the answer for them. Mopar Express Lane Service. Like Alan's crew, Express Lane Service is quick and convenient. An oil change in 20 minutes or less. And we'll prove it to you.